Most people are wasting time in the kitchen without even realizing it. Today, we're counting down 20 genius kitchen utensils that make cooking faster, easier, and way more enjoyable. And trust me, the last few gadgets are absolute game changers. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 20. Spring Chef Measuring Spoons. Tired of cheap measuring spoons that bend, rust, or never fit into spice jars? This kitchen upgrade solves all three problems. Meet the Spring Chef Stainless Steel Measuring Spoon Set. Made from durable stainless steel, these heavy-duty spoons are built to last. The rectangular design slides easily into narrow spice containers, so no more pouring ingredients into separate bowls. With 7 essential measurements included, you'll always have the right size on hand. The engraved markings won't fade over time, and the included leveler helps you get accurate measurements for perfect baking and cooking results. Compact, durable, and incredibly practical, it's one of those kitchen tools you'll use every single day. Check it out now and make cooking easier. Number 19. Multifunction Manual Food Chopper. Still spending too much time chopping vegetables by hand? This simple kitchen gadget can cut your prep time in seconds. Introducing the Multifunction Manual Food Chopper. Just load your ingredients, close the lid, and turn the handle. The sharp stainless steel blades quickly chop onions, garlic, peppers, carrots, ginger, fruits, and more. No electricity needed. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens, camping trips, or quick meal prep. The enclosed container helps reduce mess while keeping ingredients neatly contained. Fast, convenient, and easy to clean, this manual food chopper is a must-have for every home cook. Grab yours today and make food prep easier than ever. Number 18. Vantic Garlic Press Rocker. Tired of sticky fingers and endless garlic chopping? Here's a faster and cleaner way to prep garlic in seconds. Meet the Vantic Garlic Press Rocker. Simply place a garlic clove underneath and rock it back and forth. The durable stainless steel design crushes and minces garlic quickly with minimal effort. Unlike traditional garlic presses, this ergonomic rocker is easy on your hands and easy to clean. It also includes a garlic peeler and scraper, making the entire process fast, simple, and mess-free. If you love cooking with fresh garlic, this handy kitchen gadget is a game changer. Get yours today and make meal prep easier than ever. Number 17. Tamim Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Still twisting manual grinders every time you cook? Upgrade your kitchen with effortless one-touch seasoning. Introducing the Tamim Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. With a simple press of a button, it automatically grinds your favorite spices for fast, consistent seasoning every time. The large 115 milliliters capacity means fewer refills, while 5 adjustable grind settings let you choose everything from fine powder to coarse texture. Built-in LED lights help you season accurately, even in low-light conditions. Stylish, rechargeable, and incredibly convenient, this grinder set brings professional-level seasoning to your kitchen. Check it out today. Number 16. Clip-on Kitchen Strainer and Pot Drainer. Pouring pasta into a bulky colander and hoping nothing spills? There's a smarter way to drain your food. Meet the clip-on kitchen strainer. This clever stainless steel colander securely attaches to your pots and pans, letting you drain pasta, noodles, vegetables, and more directly from the cookware. Its universal design fits most pots and pans from 6.5 to 9.5 inches, while the strong clips keep it firmly in place. It's compact, dishwasher-safe, and takes up far less space than a traditional colander. Simple, space-saving, and incredibly practical, this kitchen gadget makes draining food faster and easier than ever. Add it to your kitchen today. Number 15. Utensils Digital Kitchen Scale. Guessing ingredient amounts can ruin a recipe. Want perfect measurements every time? Meet the Utensils Digital Kitchen Scale. Designed for baking, cooking, meal prep, and weight management, it delivers precise measurements down to just 1 gram or 0.05 ounces. Switch easily between 5 weight units, weigh up to 22 pounds, and enjoy the convenience of USB recharging. The waterproof stainless steel surface is durable, easy to clean, and built for everyday kitchen use. Whether you're tracking nutrition or creating the perfect recipe, this smart kitchen scale helps you measure with confidence. Check it out today. Number 14. Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Still waiting for a pot of water to boil just to make eggs? This gadget does it faster, easier, and with perfect results every time. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. It cooks up to 7 eggs at once and lets you choose hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs with minimal effort. Need more than boiled eggs? Use it to poach eggs or make delicious omelets. The automatic shutoff and built-in alarm let you know when your eggs are ready, while the easy peel results make breakfast even better. Perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, and healthy snacks, this compact egg cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking eggs. Get yours today. Number 13. 8-in-1 Automatic Milk Frother and Steamer. Love cafe-style coffee but hate paying cafe prices? This gadget can transform your home coffee experience. Meet the 8-in-1 Automatic Milk Frother and Steamer. With the touch of a button, it creates rich hot foam, cold foam, steamed milk, and more for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and your favorite coffee drinks. The large 600 milliliters capacity is perfect for serving multiple drinks, while the detachable design and ergonomic handle make pouring and cleaning effortless. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for maximum convenience. Enjoy barista-quality beverages from the comfort of your kitchen. Upgrade your coffee routine and bring cafe-style foam to every cup. Number 12. Stasha Reusable Silicone Storage Bags. Still throwing away disposable plastic bags every week? Here's a smarter, reusable solution for your kitchen. Introducing Stasha Silicone Reusable Storage Bags. Made from premium food-safe silicone, these versatile bags help store snacks, leftovers, meal prep ingredients, and much more, all while reducing single-use plastic waste. Use them in the freezer, microwave, dishwasher, oven, or even for sous vide cooking. Their leak-resistant seal keeps food fresh, while the durable silicone construction is designed for years of everyday use. Eco-friendly, reusable, and incredibly versatile, these storage bags are a simple upgrade for any kitchen. Make the switch today. Number 11. Chef and Cob Corn Stripper. Love fresh corn but hate cutting kernels off the cob? This clever kitchen gadget makes it quick, easy, and mess-free. Meet the Chef and Cob Corn Stripper. Simply place it over the cob and push downward. The sharp stainless steel blade removes kernels smoothly, while the built-in container catches them as you go. No flying kernels, no cutting board mess, and no wasted corn. Its compact design is comfortable to hold, easy to store, and perfect for salads, soups, casseroles, and more. If fresh corn is a kitchen favorite, this handy tool will save you time and effort every time you cook. Grab yours today. Number 10. OXO Good Grips Twisting Jar Opener. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? Stop fighting with them and let this simple tool do the hard work. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Twisting Jar Opener. Designed to help open tough lids with less effort, it securely grips jar tops while the included base pad keeps the jar steady on your countertop. The comfortable non-slip handle provides extra leverage, making it ideal for seniors, people with limited hand strength, or anyone tired of struggling with tight lids. Its adjustable design works with a variety of jar sizes. Simple, effective, and easy to use, this handy kitchen gadget makes opening jars faster and frustration-free. Add it to your kitchen today. Number 9. Skyron Handheld Mandolin Slicer. Want perfectly sliced vegetables in seconds without pulling out a bulky food processor? Check this out. Meet the Skyron Handheld Mandolin Slicer. This compact kitchen tool quickly creates uniform slices for cucumbers, onions, potatoes, and other vegetables with smooth, effortless motion. Choose from adjustable slicing thicknesses between 1 and 3 millimeters for everything from delicate salad slices to thicker cuts. The included safety handguard helps protect your fingers while keeping food securely in place. Fast, precise, and easy to store, this mandolin slicer is a must-have for meal prep lovers and home cooks alike. Get yours today. Number 8. Sicily Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer. Is your kitchen sink area always cluttered with sponges, brushes, and soap bottles? Here's a simple solution. Meet the Sicily Sink Caddy Organizer. Designed to keep your cleaning essentials neatly organized, it provides dedicated space for sponges, dish brushes, soap dispensers, and more. Made from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, this durable organizer is built for wet kitchen environments. The raised brush holder keeps brushes upright for faster drying, while the open design helps prevent water buildup and mess. Keep your countertop cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage with this practical sink organizer. Upgrade your kitchen setup today. Number 7. Reusable silicone air fryer liners. Tired of scrubbing your air fryer basket after every meal? This simple accessory can save you time and cleanup. Introducing reusable silicone air fryer liners. Designed to fit many popular air fryer models, these liners create a protective barrier between your food and the basket, helping keep your air fryer cleaner. Made from durable food-grade silicone, they're reusable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. The raised grooves help improve airflow around food while allowing excess grease to drain away during cooking. Cook smarter and spend less time cleaning. These reusable air fryer liners are a simple upgrade every air fryer owner will appreciate. Number 6. Stirmax Plus 7.5 QD Digital Multi-Cooker. What if your slow cooker could actually stir your food for you? Meet the kitchen gadget that does the work while you relax. Introducing the Stirmax Plus 7.5 Quart Digital Multi-Cooker. Its built-in automatic paddle continuously stirs ingredients while cooking, helping prevent sticking and ensuring even mixing without constant attention. With 9 programmable cooking presets, you can saute, sear, brown, simmer, and more, all in one appliance. The large 7.5 quart capacity is perfect for family meals, meal prep, soups, stews, shredded meats, and one-pot recipes. Spend less time stirring and more time enjoying delicious home-cooked meals. Upgrade your kitchen with the Stirmax Plus today. Number 5. Zulli Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. Still squeezing lemons and oranges by hand? Get more juice with less effort using this powerful kitchen tool. Meet the Zulli Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. Built from heavy-duty cast iron, this professional-style citrus press extracts maximum juice from oranges, lemons, limes, and other citrus fruits with a simple pull of the handle. The ergonomic lever design reduces strain on your hands while delivering efficient juice extraction. Its detachable strainers help separate seeds and pulp, and cleanup is quick and easy after every use. Whether you're making fresh juice, cocktails, or healthy recipes, this durable citrus press is a must-have kitchen companion. Get yours today and start squeezing like a pro. Number 4. SNTD Extendable Dish Drying Rack. Running out of space for dishes after every meal? This expandable drying rack might be the kitchen upgrade you've been looking for. Meet the SNTD Extendable Dish Drying Rack. Designed to maximize drying space while saving countertop room, this versatile rack expands when you need it and stays compact when you don't. Made from durable stainless steel, it provides dedicated storage for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils. The removable utensil holder keeps cutlery organized, while the efficient drainage design helps dishes dry faster. Keep your kitchen cleaner, more organized, and ready for every meal. Upgrade to the SNTD Dish Drying Rack today. Number 3. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Overcooked steaks and dried chicken are a thing of the past. Here's the smart cooking gadget every grill master needs. Meet the Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. With 3 ultra-thin wireless probes, you can monitor multiple foods at once without tangled wires getting in the way. Track cooking temperatures remotely from your smartphone using Bluetooth connectivity. Whether you're grilling, roasting, smoking, or baking, real-time alerts help you cook food to perfection every time. Take the guesswork out of cooking and achieve restaurant-quality results with confidence. Upgrade your barbecue and kitchen game today. Number 2. Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker. Tired of making too much rice or watching pots boil over? This compact cooker makes perfect portions every time. Meet the Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker. With its 1 quart capacity, it's perfect for singles, couples, dorm rooms, offices, and small kitchens. Just add your ingredients, press start, and let it do the work. The PFAS-free non-stick cooking pot makes cleanup easy, while the included stainless steel steamer tray lets you cook vegetables, seafood, and more alongside your rice. Plus, it comes with measuring cups, a serving spoon, and a recipe book featuring 60 delicious recipes. Compact, convenient, and easy to use, the rice robot is the perfect solution for quick, hassle-free meals. Grab yours today. Number 1. 12 Cutie Dual Basket Air Fryer with Flex Basket. Cooking for a big family? Stop waiting for multiple batches and upgrade to an air fryer built for serious meal prep. Meet the 12-quart dual basket air fryer with Flex Basket. Its innovative design lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time or combine the space for larger meals, making it perfect for family dinners and gatherings. Meet the 12-quart dual basket air fryer with Flex Basket. Its innovative design lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time or combine the space for larger meals, making it perfect for family dinners and gatherings. Prepare more food, save time, and enjoy crispy, delicious results with less oil. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile air fryer today.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.